Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Disk Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to save the battery in your Marshall Kilburn III speaker. Here we do have our application, which is called the Marshall Bluetooth, and here we have to scroll down to the battery preservation. We have to tap that, and here, as you can see, we have 3 steps. The first step is maximum charge. Limit the maximum charge to 90% to prolong the battery lifespan. The second one is temperature. Lower the charging speed if the temperature is outside the ideal range to prolong the battery lifespan. And the third one is charging speed. Limit the maximum charging speed to prolong battery lifespan. We can set the first step like that, the second step which has these both options set, and the third one which has these 3 options set. It's that easy, as you can see. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.